Welcome back guys to my brand new tutorial. In today's video we're going to style all of our HTML pages in our Spotify MP3 player clone using Django and Python. In the previous video we created this base.html file and added this navbar right here, but if we take a look at the Spotify actual website, it doesn't quite look like it. So this is a dark theme, and also the fonts and other stuff are really not the same. So in this video we're going to change that. Alright, so head over to our base.html file and let's style that first. So since this is a styling only, I have already made snippets that I took a time, like 2 hours I took to style everything on this page. Since I don't want to put that 2 hours in one video, I will just provide you with the snippets that you can find on my GitHub in a link in the description, and just copy those from every HTML page and just copy to yours if you're writing the code like I am. I have my snippets right here. So the first file is base.html, so I'll copy all of these things right here. Alright, it ends here. So just click Ctrl A and it should select everything and just paste this. Alright, so if we take a look at this index now, you see it looks much better. We have this select playlist and functionality still works. So we can actually add to the playlist and stuff. So, and we also added a couple of more links. In the previous video we only had logout and home. Now we actually added the create playlist and also all playlists. And you see this base.html styling is applied to every single page on this website. We'll also style this and every page, but you see the functionality actually works. Now the next file is actually create playlist. Now you probably think, why am I skipping the index one? This is because I already added classes. Let me find that. Alright, so I already added a lot of classes to this file in the previous videos, and I don't need to make them again. So let's just do that. So create playlist, I think I copied that. Alright, let me indent this a little bit better, and if we try to go to this create playlist, we actually see this is a little bit better. The next file is all playlists, so let's copy that and paste it right here. I know this is really boring, just copy and pasting, but I want you to take a look how beautiful this looks. I took a lot of time to style this. So the next file, I think, yeah, it is the register and login also. So let's just copy that, register first. Alright, let me take a look at, I need to type it manually, register user. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. The next one is login, so let's just copy that again. Alright, see how it looks. Probably the same, really. Yeah. The next one is view playlists. Alright, I really like this one, and it is the last one. So let's take a look once I append it to this. And let's take a look. So all playlist, we'll take a look at this programming since it has four songs in it. Let's check it. Alright, I think it looks pretty good. So we can actually play this song and it still works. And that is it. We styled every single page on this website. This was a really fun project. I really liked it, and I hope you did so too. So let's take a look at this project for the final time. So let's log out actually and register a new user called, I'll call him Joker. Alright, password, just put whatever you want. I'll use the normal one I use every time. Okay, I'm logged in automatically, you see. We checked already the logout one. Alright, let's create a new playlist since we don't have any and we can't add any song. Alright, let's create a new playlist called, I don't know, YouTube. Alright, since Joker is recording tutorials for YouTube. Let's add Heroes Tonight. and let's add symbolism, add to playlist. Okay, now we can check all of our playlists, and we only have one, which is YouTube, and we see they want us to click play button now, so let's do that. And who guessed it, the song was played. This was a really fun project, as I said. I hope you liked it. This was a little short video, but yeah, why would you watch me 2 hours typing every single line of this code when you can just copy that? Since this is only styling, we didn't change any of the functionality. The one code that we changed was in our base. I added these 2 links, but yeah, just make sure to add it below this and div tag. If you like this video, make sure to check out the pinned comment of this video. I made you a free PDF guide on how to help you pass the beginner stage and escape the tutorial hell. And also, I have got another great video right here on screen. Make sure to check it out, and I'll see you in that one.